Excuse me. Plutonium or whatever. I can't read. Q2 is gross. Go ahead.
Question. How many getting it from machines?
Excuse me.
You know I'm all about
Listen. Find that gross. Remember 2 Girls 1 Cup chat? I love all of you. Of whatever the fuck she paid. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna go piss. I'll be right back.
They ain't doing it like you and I. Try not to worry where the future lies. It's a fact I
Excuse me.
but I'm gonna continue to go. Listening to Red Ops 20.
You know, like, this is what you look like when you're just having the sushi rolls after sushi rolls after sushi rolls and after...
I'm complicated, you won't get me out of trouble. Complicated, you won't get me out of trouble.
Would you guys... Excuse me, Did you guys like this chat? Like, was it good?
Just have
Water shut me is real shut. Excuse me. The last guy I fucked was still living with his girlfriend. Ex-girlfriend. I mean, as long as it's okay.
I've been super fit. Thank you.
Which also I'm not into. You have to love yourself first and then the rest will fall in line. It's gonna be hard. It's gonna be a hard day going back to the gym.
What you want from me? Baby, tell me if you like it.
Here, listen. Princess, let me show. Princess, let me. PG. Excuse me. Do you need something? It's like I was lucky, but. You know. Excuse me. Excuse me.
You seem so innocent.
You wanna get in it, get lost in it. Boy, I'm tired of running.
Like I did you wrong. Going places where you don't belong. Ever since I left the city,
You.